Apple has quietly made an important change to the M5 MacBook Pro, and it's great news for repairability. Welcome to USA Tech Deals, your trusted source for the latest tech news, updates, and practical insights. I'm Steve Hogan, and here's what you need to know. The 14-inch M5 MacBook Pro now features a simplified battery replacement process. Unlike previous models, the battery can be removed without dismantling major internal components. Users only need to remove the bottom case, disconnect the battery cable, and replace the battery using adhesive pull tabs. Apple has also updated its official repair manuals under the self-service repair program. Apple is now selling the battery as a standalone replacement part, which reduces repair costs and labor time. This makes battery replacement more accessible for both users and independent repair technicians. For MacBook owners, this means lower long-term maintenance costs and longer device lifespan. It also reflects Apple's gradual shift toward more repair-friendly designs. I've also published a detailed article covering this update in depth. You'll find the link in the description below if you'd like to read the full breakdown. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more tech news and updates from USA Tech Deals. I'm Steve Hogan. Thanks for watching.